Hello kids, we will see the phonic sound of EE, that is double E sound. Phonics sound of EE. It sounds E, B, E, B, J, E, P, jip, E, C, F, E, fee, Tr, E, tree, Ni. Here K is silent. When K is before N, it is silent. F, R, fr, E, free, thr, E, three. Next is D, ear, deer, Eep, sip, D, eep, dip, H, eep, hip, B, eep, beep, K, eep, keep, T, eep, teep, V, eep, weep, J, eep, jeep. Always read with segmentation while learning for reading. These all words are double E words. Next is P, peep, Ch, eep, cheap, L, slay, sleep, Sh, eep, sheep, B, eat, beat, F, eat, feet, M, eat, meat, Fl, eat, fleet, Gr, gr, eat, greet, Sh, eat, sheet. Next is Swa, eat, sweet, Twa, eat, tweet, Str, eat, street, K, eat, kit, F, eel, feel, H, eel, heel, P, eel, peel, K, eel, kill, R, eel, reel, and V, eel, wheel. Next is D, eel, deal, N, eel, kneel, St, eel, steel, Z, eel, zeal, S, eel, seal. These all are double E words. Now complete the words. TREE, tree, THREE, three, BEE, bee. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye-bye.